We all want to maintain a well-groomed lawn and garden, and this is the video that you're absolutely waiting for because we'll show you the top 5 string trimmers available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best string trimmers. The 5th product on this list is the Makita XRU23. Let's dive into the remarkable Makita XRU23, a cordless string trimmer that's transforming the world of lawn and garden maintenance. Sporting a vibrant teal hue, this trimmer not only adds a burst of color to your outdoor toolkit, but also ushers in cutting-edge technology for a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient yard care adventure. So what sets the Makita XRU23 apart as the ultimate choice for your lawn and garden essentials? To begin with, bid farewell to those pesky gas-powered trimmers with their emissions, oil mixing hassles, and those infuriating pull starts. This string trimmer offers a hassle-free alternative with zero emissions, reduced upkeep, and a whisper-soft operation. Now you can lovingly tend to your lawn without the cacophony and noxious fumes. What's more, the beating heart of the string trimmer is its robust BL brushless motor capable of delivering a whopping 6,000 RPM. This translates to the formidable cutting power you need to conquer even the most tenacious overgrowth, from thick grass to those stubborn weeds. But wait, there's more. Armed with an 18-volt LXT 4.0 amps, this product provides an impressive 1 hour of uninterrupted runtime on a single charge. Say goodbye to frequent battery swaps and confidently tackle your trimming tasks. In sum, the Makita XRU23 is a true game changer for lawn and garden enthusiasts who treasure efficiency, top-tier performance, and environmental stewardship. Its pros are: its high-low button allows you to manage power and runtime according to the demands of your task. It features a variable speed trigger giving you precise control over cutting speed. And its ergonomic design ensures that you can use it comfortably even during extended trimming sessions. However, it is quite long and does not adjust, making it tricky to use for shorter people. Whether you're a homeowner with a small garden or a landscaping professional with extensive grounds to cover, the Makita XRU23 trimmer is the ultimate choice for maintaining a well-manicured outdoor space. Up next in 4th place is the DEWALT FLEXVOLT string trimmer. Are you prepared to meet your new partner in conquering unruly lawns and overgrown edges? Look no further than the DEWALT FLEXVOLT string trimmer. This string trimmer is purpose-built to deliver professional-grade performance and unparalleled convenience. This cordless grass trimmer is poised to simplify your outdoor tasks. Now, what sets this product apart is why does it stand out as the ultimate choice for achieving a beautifully manicured lawn. First and foremost, it boasts a robust gear drive design that effortlessly conquers even the most stubborn overgrowth. Say goodbye to unruly grass and edges and revel in the pleasure of a neatly trimmed yard. But that's not all. Outfitted with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this cordless grass trimmer maximizes both runtime and motor lifespan. You can confidently tackle extended tasks without fretting about battery life or maintenance. Additionally, it features a generous 15-inch cutting swath and the ability to accommodate both 0.080-inch and 0.095-inch lines. This trimmer ensures that you can cover more ground swiftly and adapt to various cutting requirements. The moment has arrived to enhance your lawn care experience, embrace efficiency, and relish a beautifully maintained yard with the DEWALT FLEXVOLT string trimmer. Its pros are: it can be switched to high for added power or low for extended runtime. Its lightweight and ergonomic design maximizes control and minimizes stress on your arms. And it is engineered to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty daily use, making it a reliable and durable addition to your outdoor tools. However, it has a relatively short battery life, so you'll need to charge it regularly. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT string trimmer is great for professional landscapers looking for a powerful, dependable equipment for heavy-duty operations, as well as homeowners looking for a high-performance trimmer to conveniently maintain their lawns and edges. Still haven't found a string trimmer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Husqvarna WeedEater 220IL. Returning home to a messy lawn can be quite a stressor, but fret not, as the Husqvarna WeedEater 220IL is here to bid adieu to this predicament. It's your ultimate companion for taming unruly yards with remarkable efficiency and ease. This cordless string trimmer boasts a plethora of features that transform yard work into a delight, ensuring your lawn remains beautifully manicured. To kick things off, this string trimmer is exceptionally lightweight, offering you superb maneuverability while wielding its 16-inch cutting width. Even with heavy-duty use, this trimmer delivers an impressive 1-hour runtime per battery charge, enabling you to tackle extensive yard work without pesky interruptions. And here's the cherry on top. You'll never have to contend with grass clippings on your garden beds and hardscapes. This battery string trimmer is equipped with a dual-direction trimmer head, granting you the ability to effortlessly change the cutting direction. This way, you can maintain your landscaping in pristine condition and your yard looking absolutely immaculate. What's more, you'll experience trouble-free operation with this trimmer's intuitive premium touchpad controls. This electric weed eater starts instantly with a simple touch, and an LED indicator clearly displays whether the trimmer is on or off, eliminating any guesswork. So whether you're a seasoned landscaper or a homeowner seeking a reliable tool, this cordless string trimmer stands as your ideal choice for tackling yard work with precision and ease. Its pros are: it has a power boost mode for heavy grass or stubborn weeds. It has a convenient flip and go feature that allows effortless switching to edging mode, adding versatility to your yard work arsenal. And its battery is compatible with all Husqvarna 40-volt battery handheld lawn care equipment. However, replacing its string can be challenging, especially for new users. Upgrade your landscaping game, embrace power and efficiency, and enjoy a cleaner, neater, and more effortlessly maintained yard with the Husqvarna WeedEater 220IL. Conquer your outdoor tasks with confidence. The second product on this list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel String Trimmer. Allow us to introduce you to a trusty landscaping sidekick poised to transform yard maintenance from a chore into a joyride. Tailored to cater to the needs of seasoned professionals and dedicated homeowners alike, this extraordinary string trimmer seamlessly blends unmatched performance, exceptional versatility, and user-friendly convenience to conquer every landscaping challenge with flair. What truly stands out about this product is its sheer powerhouse status. It's equipped with a formidable power state brushless motor, which not only delivers raw power, but also ensures a harmonious balance and unparalleled maneuverability. Be prepared to effortlessly clear thick brush and tackle overgrowth like never before. The cherry on top, this trimmer reaches full throttle in less than a second, providing you with immediate control precisely when you need it most. But that's not the end of the story. This string trimmer isn't a solitary tool. It's a vital part of the ingenious Quick Lock attachment system. This system comprises two key elements: the M18 fuel power head and the Quick Lock string trimmer attachment, resulting in unparalleled versatility. Switching between attachments for tasks like edging, hedge trimming, or even reaching high branches with the pole saw is a breeze. All in all, the Milwaukee M18 fuel string trimmer adapts to your needs, ensuring that your landscaping arsenal is both diverse and highly efficient. Its pros are: it offers a remarkable runtime of over 1 hour per charge, its batteries are compatible with a deep line of other tools and products, and it ramps up to full speed in less than a second. However, it may be relatively heavier compared to some other cordless string trimmers. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel String Trimmer embodies the perfect fusion of power, adaptability, and user-friendly convenience. Whether you're a seasoned landscaping professional or a homeowner with a passion for a well-kept yard, this tool stands ready to serve you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best string trimmer is the EGO Power ST1623T. Behold your new ally in lawn maintenance, the EGO Power ST1623T. But let's be clear, this isn't just any ordinary tool. It's the dependable partner that's set to elevate your journey to a flawlessly manicured yard. Whether you're a landscaping virtuoso or a dedicated homeowner with a penchant for lush lawns, this trimmer is poised to redefine how you approach your outdoor tasks. What truly sets this trimmer apart and positions it as the finest string trimmer on the market today? Let's delve into the key features that make it a standout choice. First and foremost, bid farewell to the hassle of awkwardly adjusting equipment to your height. The EGO Power ST1623T features a telescopic carbon fiber shaft that intuitively adapts to your stature, ensuring you experience optimal comfort during trimming. No more straining or stretching to reach those tricky spots. This trimmer conforms to your needs, simplifying the entire process. But that's not all. With an uninterrupted 16-inch cutting swath, this trimmer empowers you to cover more ground in less time. Overgrown grass and tenacious weeds are swiftly vanquished, leaving your lawn with a beautifully manicured appearance. The dual-line spiral twist 0.095-inch line is of professional grade, ensuring efficient trimming and edging like a seasoned pro. Additionally, its high-efficiency brushless motor not only delivers impressive power but also guarantees the trimmer's durability. Count on consistent performance without fretting about motor wear and tear. This trimmer is engineered to endure season after season. Overall, the EGO Power ST1623T stands out as the most comprehensive string trimmer on the market today, combining comfort, efficiency, and longevity to redefine your lawn care experience. Its pros are: it features the digital 2-speed selector, which ensures that you have complete control over your trimming experience. It boasts weather-resistant construction, giving you the confidence to tackle your lawn care in all outdoor environments. It's compatible with all EGO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, making it an excellent addition to your tool collection, and it comes with a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. However, some users might find that the 16-inch cutting swath is not as wide as they need for more extensive trimming tasks. The EGO Power ST1623T is the ultimate blend of comfort, power, and durability. Whether you're a pro looking for top-tier equipment or a homeowner aiming to maintain a picture-perfect lawn, this string trimmer is your secret weapon for effortless yard care. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.